Hi, welcome back once again. And I've been asked, how does the process of rain works? Well, first of all, as you know, the earth is heated by the sun, and that create evaporation. Evaporation goes up in the cloud, and it forms evaporation from water surfaces, and land surfaces, in both from plants. It goes up goes up in the air. When we reach a certain point, it forms clouds. These clouds just continue to build and build and build, and they reach a point of threshold and it falls back down as rain fall on the ground. So the water collected into rivers and lakes, and which else and then flows out into seas and ocean, and then the process is repeated ad infinitum. It's always the same amount of water. It's just going through the cycle, evaporation from the water and ground and plants up in the sky. It reached to a point of um, it condenses up in goes up and collects in the cloud. And it got a point of great saturation in which to well, and so it can from there it becomes it goes into it comes constant saturation and the threshold reach, and it just fall back down as rain into the ground and water the ground forms into water streams, into rivers and lakes, and flows out to the ocean and 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 seas, and then the process continues again. What happened with in terms of tornadoes? All right, tornadoes. And what happened was you got say for example, you had the Gulf, right? The Gulf area, a certain amount of warm air coming up and collide with um, cold air coming from the north, and it just formed that very unique dance of going around in circles. And this circle is called we call tornadoes. No mystery there. No, um, just simple. The laws of physics and the laws uh, physics and science working to give us this reality called rain, tornadoes, and hurricanes. Okay, the warm air coming in from one area and collide with cold air, and it goes around in a circle. And that's how we have these tornadoes and hurricanes. And water and rain is basically the sun hit the earth, it goes up and evaporated, goes up in the steam, goes up in the clouds, and it becomes condensed. Goes to the point where it goes up and form clouds. Clouds continue to build up and build up and build up, and then reach a point of to the saturation, and the threshold is reached, and it falls back down as rain. Okay, and that's how that works. Thank you.